welcome back. This is Shae. This is my little outside small garden I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna try the trellis. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So I told you it was in a barrel. So I'm going to push these pins down on this side, and then I did an A-line. I'm gonna push these down on this side. Now come from this angle, you can kind of see it if you come over. Bring them in. So it's pretty sturdy. And all I did was tie the twine together, and you got the A-line here going. So I got this side and this side, two sides of the trellis. I'm gonna feed it up. So when they start catching on, I'll just, kind of keep them close to this. I don't know if I'm gonna keep all these cucumbers, but there's quite a few seeds in here. Most likely I'm gonna pull out, some of them and just keep the ones that are really taking off. And then I'm just gonna feed them up the trellis. So this is my cucumber barrel. Right here is my apple tree. And these are the green apples. I don't know, it has spots on it. So if anyone else is growing apple trees, if you have a couple of spots on it, I know it has some dead leaves that I need to get off. But let me know. I just bought this one because it was just such a good deal. But it looks like the leaves on the tops are definitely healthy. Got a couple of brown leaves that I need to prune off. And they have another apple tree over there, which is more of a red apple, red delicious apple. And here is this peach tree I was telling you guys about. And it's been raining so much, so everything's grown overgrown. But this is a peach tree I was telling you guys about. It has peach. It has all these little peaches on every branch, all these little green peaches, just like this. On every branch, like every one of them have peaches on it. So many peaches under there, but they never turn. So I'm just want to know, what am I doing incorrectly? See all these peaches, but I'll never get to eat them because they don't turn. So I gotta be doing something. I need something. Please let me know what I need to make those peaches so that we can have some peaches this year. And my son is holding the camera. He's ready to get back inside because it's been raining and mosquitoes are bad. But let me show you again the blackberries. I was able to harvest blackberries, and what I'm going to do is, this is a grapevine that I told you guys I have to vine it up some type of way. And here's my blackberry bush. So I put this net over because the birds are eating my blackberries before I have opportunity to eat them. It looks like mosquitoes, I mean not mosquitoes, but looks like baby flies are in here. So my blackberries are in here, and I'm going to take one of those, see, got a nice blackberry. I'm going to take one of those same bamboo sticks, and I'm going to prop it up and tie these down once the rain has stopped a little bit. But right now I'm just going to harvest this other blackberry. I don't want any of the birds to try to get under here just to get a blackberry and get stuck. So if you have a net that'll keep your, I didn't have this net last year, so tell you what, something's ate out my other berries here. So something's getting under here. I think those birds are getting under there in spite of this net. So I'm gonna have to do this net, tighten it up a little bit. It has a little tie here. And I'm gonna tighten it up just a little bit more because something else is getting under there and get my other berry. So I just harvested three berries. Now I had grapes on this one. The faster the grapes come, the faster birds come eat them. So I don't know what to say about that. This is the one I put here. This is the ones I planted yesterday on the 3rd, which was okra in here, bell pepper in here, and onion in there is what I did. So that was June the 3rd. So I'm just gonna see, because we're getting all these rainy days, I'm gonna see if this actually even sprouts up. It's so late in the season. So, well, that's my little mini garden. I also have some cantaloupe growing, but that's kind of over there, and I know the mosquitoes are bad over there. So the only thing I have left is cantaloupe to show you, and I guess I got some tomato plants right here. And so I will, once we get this all cleaned up, I'll come back and I'll show you guys my, clean and how I'm gonna arrange the garden. The rain is just so consistent that we hadn't had time. So every day we're getting rain. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked it. Please give me a comment below again about my peach tree so that I can hopefully get peaches. And the trellis to me looks great. So talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.